Hey dosto, this is Ananya, your master teacher at Vedantu for Social Science. I hope you guys are taking very good care of yourself. So guys, what are we going to do in this video? Guys, this video is going to be very inspirational, very motivational, which will help you to increase your focus towards your goals. So guys, before we start with the actual topic, let me show you something. Guys, he was Captain Vikram Batra and he was an officer in Indian Army and he was a part of the Kargil War, which took place in 1999 between India and Pakistan. This always gives me goosebumps whenever I read this. What is said? Either I'll come back after hoisting the tricolor or being wrapped in it, but I'll come back for sure. This literally gives me goosebumps. Yes, once Shilpi ma'am was asking me, sir, what make these people so extraordinary, so courageous, so different? Do you know, guys, what make these people so extraordinary? Due to the qualities which these people possess. So, guys, I basically call these qualities as officers-like qualities. Today, in this video, I'm going to tell you five such officer-like qualities which we can develop so that we can increase our focus towards our goals and we are ready to face any obstacle, we are ready to face any challenge. So, what are those five officer-like qualities which I'm going to tell you? The very first one is discipline. Guys, this is the most important attribute which we have to develop. That is self-discipline. Yes, when we are self-disciplined, it helps us to stay focused. And when we are focused towards something, when we know that I have to achieve this thing, whatever situation may be, like whatever obstacle comes in my path, whatever challenge I need to face, I will overcome that challenge. We get ready to overcome that challenge due to self-discipline because we are focused towards our goal. This is one of the major quality we have to develop. The next quality which I would like to tell you is determination. What is determination, guys? Like determined towards something, like focused towards something similar to self-discipline. Guys, when we are focused, when we know that this is my goal and this is what I have to achieve, when I'm determined towards something, yes, it will help us to like face any obstacle. It makes us to march fearlessly towards our goal. Yes, because let me tell you what happens when people face obstacles, when people face challenges, what they do. Many of us fall off when we come across obstacles. Many of us fall off means many of us quit. Like I cannot do, I won't be doing this. It is not possible. And this is known as many of us fall off when we come across obstacles. But when you are determined, when you are focused, you are ready to face those obstacles. It becomes easy to face those challenges. Yes, you have to face the challenges, but you get mentally prepared to face those challenges. That is known as determination. And this is one of the quality we have to develop to achieve our goals. The next I would like to tell you is courage. Do you know, guys, which is the biggest obstacle in the path of our success? Is fear of failure. We have the fear, what if I fail? What if I failed to achieve my goals? That is fear of failure. Guys, this is the biggest obstacle we have to overcome. And this is only possible when you develop courage. Courage to face the challenge. Courage means, like in Hindi, we call it as himmat, daring. Yes, when we have courage, when we have the daring, like be it what the situation may be, we are ready to face the challenges and I will face the challenge. That is known as courage. When you develop such quality, you are ready to face the challenges. I'm not saying you that when you develop the quality of courage, when you develop the quality of daring, you will not face any challenge, but you will be prepared to face the challenges because you are determined towards the goals. The next one I would like to tell you is integrity. Plus, what is integrity? Integrity means living your life according to your morals and your values. Students, let me tell you something personal from my personal experience. You cannot be liked by everyone. Yes, if you think that I'm liked by everyone, that is the biggest like that is wrong, guys. That is false. A person cannot be liked by everyone. Yes, you should not compromise with your values nor with your values. Here's the next quality I would like to tell you is about integrity. Yes, integrity means living your life according to your morals and values, not compromising who you are for the sake of fitting in with others. What do we understand from this? Yes, we should never compromise with our values, with our morals, just to be liked by someone. I'm not telling you guys not to adjust with the people. Yes, adjustment is a part of life. We have to adjust with the people to live our life peacefully, to live happily. We have to adjust with the people. But to like by someone, and for that you need to compromise with your values, with your morals, never, guys. This is one of the value we have to inculcate. We have to develop, that is integrity, not compromising who you are for the sake of fitting in with others. The next quality, and the most important one, I would like to tell you, that is positive attitude, positive mindset. Plus, if you want to be focused, if you want to be self disciplined, the most important one is positive attitude. Because when you develop a positive attitude, you start respecting yourself, you start loving yourself, you start respecting your goals. And the most important thing which is developed due to positive attitude is confidence. And bacho, let me tell you one thing. Confidence is directly connected with success. So if you want to be successful in the life, you should have a positive attitude. You should have a positive mindset that you are. I'm not telling that you should be overconfident. You should be confident that you will be able to achieve the goals. That is positive mindset. Guys, I really want you to tell me in the comment section, like if this video was really inspirational for you, this was inspiring for you, this was motivational for you. Do let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take very, very good care of yourself. Bye bye. Take care. Jai Hind.